Hi guys, please join me, and today you will see how to crochet easy flower. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and 2 balls 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. I will use 2 colors, you can use 1 color, and let's get started. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet round 1. It's gonna be a row of single crochet, make chain, make 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, while doing my stitches, I remove a long piece of yarn. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. For round 2, make chain, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet. It's gonna be a round of petals. Let's crochet the interesting petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Insert the hook around the chain, pull up a loop, and pull through first loop, and pull up a loop. I did single crochet on the chain, not finish. In total it should be 15 of them. I am done the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I am done 15 single crochet on the chain, not finish. Then yarn over, I hold all loops with my fingers, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, pull a little bit, my cute petal is ready. Insert the hook through the next stitch, make single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, insert the hook through the next stitch, make single crochet. I'm done 2 of them. In total it should be 6 petals. I am done 2 of them. You should crochet 4 more with your own. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last petal, this is the second row of my flower and the first row of petal. Once I have done the last petal, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round of petals is ready. Here how it looks. You can stop at this point and you will get simple flower for a few minutes. I have already cut off my yarn because I don't need it anymore. I would like to join new color of yarn. Let's crochet round 3 of the flower. It's gonna be a round of petals as well. Make a chain. Pull a little bit. Make single crochet into the same stitch. So I will do the same as I did before. Make a chain of 7 for the base of my petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Make 15 single crochet on the chain not finish. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Let's look. Insert the hook into the thread, make single crochet. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you should repeat petals with your own. Let's complete the second petal. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Pull a little bit. Insert the hook into the single crochet and make single crochet. Then make chain of 7 for the next petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So after making all stitches, you should to secure my petal into this thread. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 12 of them. Then I will show you how to complete it. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Once I have done the last petal, insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. I have already cut off my yarn to secure the yarn by making a chain. That's it, my flower is ready. Here how it looks. I just need to remove all yarns along the petals or along the stitches. You can add a bead to the center of this flower. So that's it, my cute project is done. Here how it looks when it's ready. This flower consists only 3 rounds. 2 of them are petals. You can use 1 color of yarn or 2. Also, you can use leftover yarns. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and there are a lot of links on the video tutorials in the description of each video tutorial, so please visit the description. Also, you can use such kind of flower to create the middle part of the huge flower. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Bye!